Welcome to Silicon Valley Asian Business Talk.
Hello, everyone. This is Roger Chen from University of San Francisco Center for Business Studies and Innovation in Asia Pacific. Today, I want to first thank the Chinese Entrepreneur Organization for hosting this interview at this very unique venue, which is the founding place of Facebook. Second, it's our honor to welcome Dawei Feng from Intel to join our interview program. Dawei, would you please briefly introduce yourself?
Yeah, for sure. Hey, Roger. Hey, everyone. Thank you for having me. Super excited to be here. As Roger introduced briefly, I work for Intel. I manage all the client segment marketing team at Intel. Outside of the work, I have been pretty active in mentoring Chinese in the Bay Area from career perspective, as well as advising a few of the startups.
Thank you.
Why large corporations not adopt startup products?
Do you basically suggest startup companies to target large corporations maybe later? Because as you mentioned, it takes much longer time, riskier, probably more failures. So logically, if you're a very early startup company, you don't have a lot of bandwidth, to kind of to deal with that phase. Does that mean you should probably target mid-sized company, small-sized company earlier than when they're strong enough, then they can think about large corporation?
That's absolutely one way to navigate the situation. And I would say the advices would be highly situational. Some business model is natural fit for the Fortune 100, 500 companies, then you chose to go after them. You don't have other choices.
But anything you think these companies can do to mitigate those risks and or frustration selling to large corporations, anything they can do to improve that?
Yeah, no, there's a lot. I think fundamentally it goes back to the product market fit. You have a very strong value proposition. You're addressing something with a 10x of efficiency gain. I hear this a lot. Oh, my product is so unique. I don't have a competitor in the market. Sort of true, but not entirely, because you're replacing something, and people are doing something using whatever conventional methodologies. So you may not have a look-alike competitor. Doesn't mean they don't have any other solution today. So we'll put that on the side. 20, 30, 40% better typically doesn't sell because in enterprise environment, changing something would typically involve changing out some of the plumbing connections with other pieces
the
of
whole
the
infrastructure system.
Exactly. So say, hey, do you want 30, 40, 50% better in whatever the key performance indicators are? Of course I do, but would I rip out the entire house of plumbing for 50% better efficiency? I am not entirely sure, right? So that's why having that 10x efficiency mentality is critical, and a lot of times it's easier said than done. But then when you identify that particular point, you can deliver 10x efficiency, then the enterprise customers may start to feel like, oh, okay, this is so disruptive, even though it may take me to upgrade my entire infrastructure to support this. But I want to do this for a couple of reasons, because first, it's 10x efficiency gain. Second, I also need to watch out if my competitors are deploying something like this earlier, faster than I do. Would that translate into significant competitive edge they have over me? Because I'm running older infrastructure, so to speak, right? So you have a lot of influence. Then at that point, again, 10, 20, 30% wouldn't cut it. Significant gain in the disruptive, transformative nature will put you at a way better position.
Thank you for watching.